In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sign up, add in your API keys, and get started with creating content on WordRocket. So head over to app.wordrocket.ai to sign up for a free account. Enter in your email and your password in which you would like to use, and you just hit sign up. Once you do so, your account will be created, and as you can see here, you'll be walked through our onboarding. You'll see what's new in WordRocket. You'll see how you can use some of your different features, and most importantly, you'll see how to add your API key. The only way you can use WordRocket to generate content is by using your OpenRouter API key or your Gemini API key. So if I head over to settings and then API keys, I will see both of the API keys here. So if I click on the link, I'll be able to see exactly where and how I can grab my API key. If I head over to OpenRouter's API key and head over to keys, I can create a new API key, name it, and then just copy over that API key into WordRocket. Do note that you need to have $10 worth of credit in order to use OpenRouter's API key. So it's prepaid. You need to add in $10 first time, and it'll use those $10 to generate content. And if I go over to activity, you can see here that it's very inexpensive. Each article will cost you around maybe 20 cents. It will cost you a little bit less if you use a cheaper model like Sonnet 4. For $10, you can generate up to 50, 60, 70 articles just from $10 of credits on WordRocket. So once you have your OpenRouter API key, it'll be a long numerical number with SK or V1 at the beginning. It'll be a mix between letters and numbers. So we're going to head back over to WordRocket. We're going to paste in our API key and click save. Next is our Google Gemini's API key. Now this API key is actually completely free to use. And if you head over to aistudio.google.com, you can sign up for a free API key. So once you're in the Google AI Studio, head over to get API key on the left hand side here. Then go to create API key. We're going to name our key, so test. We need to select a cloud project. This is very simple. You can either use a project that you already have or just create a project where that API key will be attached to. So I'm going to use any one of these and hit create API key. Once I do so, on the left hand side here, I can actually click my API key at any time, copy that over again, head back over to WordRocket and save my Gemini API key. Now you're all set up and you're ready to go. Now, what's the difference between OpenRouter and Gemini? Well, OpenRouter allows you to get access to a variety of different models. You get access to Claude Sonnet 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4, and you have the ability to do live research using Perplexity AI. Google's Gemini's API key allows you to use all of the features on WordRocket, but it is a free API key from Gemini. It will cost you $0, but there is a rate limit from Gemini, so you wouldn't be able to generate as many articles simultaneously using Gemini compared to OpenRouter, and you also do not have access to the live research mode when using Gemini because, again, we're using OpenRouter's Perplexity AI to do live research, so that will only work if you have OpenRouter. So once your API keys are set up, there's a couple other settings in which you can set up. On the free plans, you can actually enter in your sitemap. So your sitemap is what it's going to allow you to be able to scrape your internal links and allow us to use internal links throughout the articles. So the way that this works is you can enter in your URL /sitemap.xml, copy that over, and this works for any URL. Paste that in. We're going to give it a name. I'm going to click add sitemap. Now the sitemap is a premium feature, but it is going to be free for the first month for all free users, so you can test it out. Once it's found, then you need to click refresh to scrape, and it's going to go ahead and scrape all of the URLs from your sitemap, and that's how it's going to intelligently choose which URLs it's going to include throughout your article. So it's one of the best interlinking feature that I've seen on any tool, and it really works to allow you to interlink all of your content. The second thing in which you can set up is a brand voice. Now, a brand voice allows you to customize the way that the AI will write your content based upon your business. You can enter in a name, a description, a tone guideline, writing style, key phrases, and a target audience. And this again will steer the AI in the direction that you like it to go to. and allow it to be more customizable again for your business and make it more unique for you. And again, this is a premium feature, but it'll be included free for 30 days. If you're a pro member, you can also set up your WordPress site. It's very easy to set up, but we'll have a full dedicated tutorial on that. The way that it works is you download your plugin, you upload your plugin into WordPress, you activate the plugin, you get the API key from heading over to settings, WordRocket, and then you just head over to WordPress, paste in the API key, add the site URL and the site name, and you're good to go. And that's it, you're all set up, and now you can start generating content. There's two main ways. You have the generate content feature, which allows you to generate content using our pre-built templates. And you can enable live web research mode, which means we'll search the live internet. But again, you need to have Open Router to do this. You could also generate content using the product roundup. So if you are creating Amazon affiliate articles, you can use the generate product roundup template to either manually input your products, or again, you can search up your products using Perplexity AI. We'll take that information and we'll create a beautiful in-depth SEO optimized product comparison articles. In all of our content, you're able to generate images. You can choose up to 5 images with a cover image. For all free users, you get 20 image credits in which you can use. So let's go ahead and test out generating content. We're going to write an article on the topic, how to make money on YouTube. We will enable live web research mode. And also to note, you can actually generate up to 10 articles for completely free each month. Very, very generous. We can enhance our word count to be as long as we would like it to be. So let's say we wanted this article to be 3,000 words. We can also change the article type, the tone, the language, so we can change it to any language in which we would like to use. And as you can see here, there's a lot of different languages in which you can choose from. So wherever you are, you can write content. If your language isn't there, send me over an email, support@wordrocket.ai, and I will add your language. We could also add our brand voice in which we'd like to do. We could also add our brand voice. We can add our internal links. So let's say we choose internal links. It'll pull up our URL. We can select it. We could also include an interactive HTML element. We can write in first person stories and examples and include citations. And as I mentioned, we can also generate images. So for this article, we'll be generating a cover image and 3 images. And that's it, we're good to go. As I mentioned to you before, you can also use the Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is the free AI from Google. We're going to keep these settings exactly the same and just change the model to use Gemini. And as you can see, these are the articles in which you'll get back. There is a slight difference between Gemini and Claude Sonnet 4.5. I prefer Claude Sonnet 4.5, but some people prefer Gemini over Claude. It's really a matter of preference. But as you can see, each one of these articles are SEO optimized. They're in-depth, they're long, they have lists, tables, images. As you can see, these are beautiful cover images and beautiful inline images as well. And these images are included for completely free. You only pay for your actual text generation using OpenAI or Gemini. And for the images, we actually pay that for you. So these images are included for completely free. And if you wanted to upgrade, you can head over to billing to view all plans, and you'll be able to see our current plans. We have the starter plan at $10 per month, which gives you unlimited articles, so no rate limit, 100 images per month, 1 brand voice, 1 sitemap. For $20 per month, you get everything in the starter, but you get 250 images, 5 brand voices, 5 sitemaps, and 5 WordPress sites. We also have the premium plan, which gives you unlimited sitemaps, unlimited brand voices, 10 WordPress articles, bulk generation mode as well, and everything included in the Pro. We also have some lifetime deals. It's currently $199 one-time payment. This gives you 250 images per month, which renews, 5 sitemaps, bulk generation, 5 brand voice, and 5 WordPress sites, all with no rate limits. A really, really good offer. So whichever plan you like the best, you can choose to upgrade. Just simply click Get Lifetime Access or click Subscribe to Starter, and it'll prompt you to enter in your details, and you'll automatically be upgraded. So that's the full walkthrough of the new WordRocket. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, send me over an email, support@wordrocket.ai. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.